Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to completing the square. So from previous lesson we know that if we expand out x plus 4 squared plus 2 is the same as x squared plus 8x plus 18. So this is how we're doing expanding. As completing the square, we always end in this format. It's always going to be in x plus a number, let's call it p, squared. So we could call this p any in algebra any letter. So it could be a, could be b, it could be c, and always plus another number. So I'm just going to call it q in here. So again, it could be written in any other letters. You could write as c, as d, as f, any letters. So today we're going to look at how to put x squared plus 8x plus 18 back to x plus p squared plus q. So as we realized from before, we always write our quadratic expression as ax squared plus bx plus c. So step 1, we're going to halve the value of our b. So just let's write it out. So a would equals to 1, b would equals to 8, and c would equals to 18. So following our steps, so step 1, we're going to halve b. So b is 8, half of b would be 4. So it'd be x plus 4 squared. Then step 2, we tell that we need to subtract half of b squared. So as we know, half of b is 4, then half of b squared would be 16. Then the last step, we need to add c. So we got x plus 4 squared minus 16, and our c term is 18, so we need to plus 18. Then simplify, we got x plus 4 squared plus 2. So please pause here and have a go at the next one yourself. So now let's look at the next question. We have x squared minus 10x plus 2, and we're going to put it in the form x plus p squared plus q. So again, this is completing the square. So we always start writing our x and bracket squared. So step 1, we need to halve our b. So just let's write it out. So a is equals to 1. b is equals to minus 10, c is equals to 2. So half of 10 would be minus 5. Then we need to minus half of b squared. So half of b is minus 5. Minus 5 squared would be 25. So we need to subtract 25. Then the final step, we need to add c, which is 2 plus 2. So our final answer would be x minus 5 squared minus 23. Please have those